Hello, this is Juliana Benner with the High Source Support Channel, and today we are going to go over how to make excuse me, the heavy metal detox smoothie. That's the third step in my daily routine of first lemon and raw honey, hot water, lemon and raw honey, celery juice, and then the heavy metal detox smoothie. And I tell you, if you add those three things into your life, it will change your life. And I've learned all of this through the medical medium, Anthony William. This is the best book to read first. His second book is Life-Changing Foods. It's beautiful. And the third book is called the Thyroid Healing Book. I recommend you read all three and it will change your life. So let's get started. I've already put 3 small bananas into my Vitamix because they're small. If you have big bananas, and I use organic, of course, put the 2 large bananas or 3 small organic bananas into your Vitamix. Today I'm using coconut milk. I usually use coconut water. You could use hemp milk. Just make sure in the brand that there's no citric acid or canola oil. We definitely don't want that. And organic is the best, of course. So the 3 bananas and the coconut milk, and I also like to use some oranges. So I'm going to get some oranges out of my fridge. Forgot about that. They give it a nice sweet taste. You could also use lettuce. So there's all sorts of things. If you have extra spinach, you can do that. But the 5 key ingredients we're going to go after I put the essential, the not necessary but make it taste good ingredients. So I like to use a couple of oranges. I have these little tangerines and I'm going to add those. And then we're going to have a little bit of fun putting together the 5 core ingredients that makes the heavy metal detox smoothie exactly that. Take out the heavy metal detox. It detoxes out the heavy metals. And they work synergistically together. And you could get them, in your diet within 24 hours of each other, but putting them all in one smoothie makes it easy that you've gotten them all in. And what they're doing, these 5 core ingredients, which I'm going to go through shortly, they're all working to help pull the heavy metals out. And say the spirulina, Hawaiian spirulina, pulls out the mercury. I'm not sure which does which. I've read about it and learned it and then I forget, of course. I'm still working on my heavy metals in my brain. But anyway, you have the spirulina pulling out the mercury, and then it might drop some in the dulse seaweed. I like the powdered kind, and the best place to get it is Maine Coast Sea Vegetables, directly from the company. And then the other ingredient, if the dulse is picking up some lead and it drops a little bit, maybe the barley grass juice powder is sweeping that up. And the most amazing food on the planet are frozen wild blueberries. Of course, they're not frozen when they're wild, but they, since they're wild, the only place to find them is the freezer section of Albertsons, the Boise Co-op. If you live in Boise, they're having a sale right now for $9.99 instead of $13.99. So I'm going to add 2 cups. I eat this every day. This is going to be my breakfast and lunch. 2 cups of wild blueberries, a couple bananas or 3 bananas, the Hawaiian spirulina from Nutrex, and I'm going to put a link if you would love to. I would love if you would use my link. You get 15% off always from the Wellevate account that I've set up as a practitioner. So I'm going to use 2 teaspoons. Gosh, I'm getting low on this stuff. I go through it every day. 2 teaspoons of Hawaiian spirulina. And then we have 2 teaspoons. And you could start with 1 teaspoon of the Vimergy barley grass juice powder, 1 teaspoon of each, but I'm up to using 2 teaspoons of the Vimergy barley grass juice powder. And Vimergy also has an amazing reishi powder and chaga mushroom powder, as well as the wild blueberries in a powder form. So if you are going on a trip, you can get Vimergy's wild powdered blueberries. And then the dulse seaweed. I'm going to use 2 teaspoons of dulse seaweed powder. If you use the dulse, in the form of the actual seaweed, just get a little small handful. Or if you use, I think they come in a granule as well, you might use a tablespoon instead of 2 teaspoons. Okay, so then we have the fifth most important, I like to say, because I love cilantro. If you don't like cilantro, start with a little bit and work your way. Generally, if you don't like it, that means you need it even more. A big, large handful of cilantro. And like I said, you could put other things, lettuce, spinach, kale. I'm going to blend it up right now, and then I'll do my additional addings like maca powder. Okay, here we go. Okay, now I'm going to add what I like to add: hemp hearts, or chia seeds, or both. Just a couple tablespoons of hemp hearts and a tablespoon or teaspoon, whatever you like, of chia seeds. I'll add some maca powder, and what other things do I like to add? Of course, I got some extra berries in it, and I'll call that good for today. Oh, I really like to get cat's claw in as well in the morning and at night. You know, late afternoon, I'll add this to my tea. But I'm going to add it to my smoothie today, and usually I do about 2 dropperfuls. I'm getting low on that. All right, there we go. And blend that all up, and my smoothie will be good to go. I'll drink this, and then I'll have another. It fills up about this amount, and then a little bit later I'll drink another, 2 times about this amount. And that's basically what I'm having for my breakfast and lunch. And I'll have a snack of an apple or pear or banana or a salad, and then my dinner. So that's it in a nutshell. I hope you enjoyed learning how to make the heavy metal detox smoothie, which I highly recommend you start doing after your hot lemon water, celery juice, and then the heavy metal detox smoothie. Thank you so much for watching. Please like and share this video. And remember to go to my link to get your Hawaiian spirulina from the Wellevate account that I have. 15% off on everything there. A lot of the supplements that I'll be talking about are coming from there. Pure encapsulations, ester C, L-lysine, that really we need to get in on a daily basis. And of course the zinc, which I've added to my lemon water, I'll put my link to my zinc as well down below. And thank you again. I appreciate you watching, and I hope you have a beautiful, glorious day. Thank you.